Hello guys, we need to understand the properties of logarithm so as to solve questions under logarithm comfortably. A good understanding of it will help in solving questions no matter how technical it is. So the number one we have is when we have log x base a equals to y, this means the log of x base a equals to y means x equals the base raised to power y. So x equals the base a raised to power y. That's the first. Then when we have log x y base a, it means log x plus log y all to base a, log x to base a plus log y to base a. Now when we have log of x over y base a, this changes to log of x base a minus log of y base a. Log of x base a minus log of y base a. Next, when we have log of x to the power of r base a, this r falls down to become a coefficient or a multiplier. So this becomes r log x base a. The r falls down. Next is, now when we have a base in indices and it is raised to power a logarithm, and the base of the logarithm is the same as the base of the index, okay, the answer becomes the value you have here. This is indices a to the power of log x base a. Discover that the log has base of a and the indices has base of a. When the base here and the base of the logarithm are the same, the answer becomes x. So this becomes equal to x. Then the next one, when you have log a to the power of x base a, as like we all know, this particular s falls down and becomes a multiplier or a coefficient. So this implies that x becomes a coefficient of log a base a, log a base a. And it is also a rule that when you have log a base a, it becomes 1. So 1 times x becomes what? X. Okay. Then there is also another rule you need to know. Log 1 base a, log 1 of any base at all is equal to 0. And then log of a base a is the same as 1. Okay. Then log of x, when the base is not written, automatically it is in base 10. This can be expressed as log of x base 10. Then this is natural logarithm x. Sometimes we call it ln x. Ln x can also be converted to logarithm. It will be the logarithm of x base e exponent log x base e is the same thing as ln x. Okay, ln x is the same as log s base e. Okay, the next we have is this. Okay, so log u base b can be split, or we call it the change of base. So this could be log u base a all over log b base a, log b base a. Okay, log u base a all over log b base a. Okay, then the last one is when you have 1 over log a base b, this reciprocal can go away, and then these two values here, a and b, will revert to be log b base a. Log b base a, the 1 over has gone out, and then this b and a reverts. So these are the laws of logarithm that you need to know. Please, if it is helpful, please like and share to your friends so that they can learn also from Soft Solve Academy. Wait for us in the next tip. Thank you.